Hi, I'm Rachel from Gentle Frog. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. If you're having issues with your bookkeeping, please follow the link at the end of the video to schedule a one-on-one appointment with me. Thank you.
So let's go. Which report do you want? Yep. So right here, these are all the ones that have to do with 1099s because you typed in 1099.
Gotcha. Okay.
So you'll have a detail and a summary. The detail is what it says. It gives you all of the detail for everything that has to do with 1099 payments. The summary is just a general overview. So up at the top is where you would do the AP report, how you would change the way that you wanted it to look at. Right now, it does 4 columns at 30-day intervals. You can change this if you want 15-day intervals, 1-day interval, you only want 1 period, you want 10 periods, you want every month. You could do every 30 days for 12 months. And that would give you literally every single month of AP that is overdue as of the date of that report, which is 12/10. In some of the other reports over here where this little, I can't see the rest of it, but over here, this little cogwheel will give you different options within a report also. And then the show more will tell you more. So you can customize reports pretty much any way that you want to. So if you wanted to run this report and you want to call everybody that has bills 30 days outstanding and more, you would select their phone number or their email address if it's optional. So that way you can just go through the list and you can call them and you can say, hey, I'm looking at my receivables and I show that you have an outstanding balance of XYZ. Can you give me, an estimated date on when we might be able to expect payment? Okay. And just to make things easier for you.
Yeah, that's really helpful.
Yeah, the only caveat is to make sure that when you run a report like that, you would have to make sure that every time you entered a vendor, you have a phone number for them. Otherwise, it's going to show up blank.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yep. And then all reports from in here can also be exported to Excel, which means that you can manipulate the data even more if you wanted to within Excel.
Okay. Yeah, it's pretty easy to get it from Excel to here and vice versa. So I really like that.
Yeah, it's great. Okay. Is there anything else that you have questions on? Those seem to be the main things that people have issues with, other than like the basics of how to enter an expense, how to enter a bill and pay a bill. And even though we do training, and I recommend training with us because we can walk you through hands-on, the Intuit community is great for questions that are like, I know how to do this, I can't remember, and I don't have a video explaining it. Also Rachel's YouTube channel is a great resource for how to do the basics of things also.
Okay, good to know. Yeah. Well, this has been really helpful. I think that's all my questions for now.
Awesome. I'm glad that I could help you.
Thank you. Yes.
You're welcome.